What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another XDP Manufacturer Q&A. In this one, I'm joined by Chris from aFe to learn more about aFe's cold air intakes, what they do, what the differences are, and why you need one for your truck. So Chris, aFe has a lot of different intakes. What are the different series?
So aFe has three different main series of intakes for diesels. We have our Momentum here, we have the Magnum FORCE, and then we have the Rapid Induction series.
Now, what are some of the key differences between these intakes?
I'll start with our Momentum intake. Our Momentum intake is our flagship series. It is a sealed system that is a patented interface that has the least number of parts compared to all our intakes. It is going to give you great flow, great horsepower, and a really easy install. Our next one is Magnum FORCE, and this is an open style intake. So it's going to give you that turbo noise you want to hear when you accelerate. It'll give you that look that you're going to look for when you open up that hood, that you see that filter right there. Usually makes a little bit better power than the Momentum too. And then the lower cost option is the Rapid Induction. We're going to use the stock air box for you. And then we're going to put a new tube and filter on top to give you that extra filtration and flow that you're looking for.
How can somebody tell which aFe intake is the right choice for them?
Well, the best way for someone to know what intake is going to be the best solution for them is to understand what they're doing. If they're looking for just a lower cost option that makes a little bit of power and gives them that extra flow and performance and filtration they're looking for, that Rapid Induction is a great setup for you. If you're looking for that nice sealed look, that clean under the hood look and extra power and flow that we can get out of the Momentum, that is a great setup for you. And if you're looking for that open element look and that noise when you accelerate, that extra turbo noise, the Magnum FORCE is a great option for you.
Now, what applications does aFe offer these intakes for?
We offer them for the full line of diesels, Ford, Chevy, Dodge. We also do them for the gas trucks and different cars across the board.
A big thanks to Chris from aFe for taking the time to come down here and give us the inside scoop on aFe's cold air intakes. To learn more and to get the intake that's right for your truck, head on over to XDP.